Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and I wanted to do an update on the iFillCups because a lot of people have been talking about K-Cups, and we always recommend people use these. And these cups, as we've talked before, really kind of give you a marketing opportunity because they actually hold 14 grams of coffee. Most people use 8 or 10 in their K-Cups, so you can market them as jumbo pods, whatever, fill in your coffee mug when you go in the morning. And these cups, you don't want to buy them in small quantities. If you go on Amazon, you will see them in small quantities, and they're very expensive for cup. I just called iFillCup today to get an update on their pricing. And you buy these, if you're going to do this for a business, you want to buy these in an amount where you can get the cup cost down. These cups are $256.60. for a case of 1,296. So it comes to a little under 20 cents a cup, and then you have shipping on top of that, depending on where you're at in the country. And it seemed like their shipping rates were pretty good. So, but anyway, I decided that I wanted to do something to satisfy my own curiosity. When we had our K-Cup packaging operation, we had to let our K-Cups off gas. We had to let the coffee off gas for 12 to 18 hours before we put it through the machine because it had the heat sealed top on it. And the heat sealed lid, if you didn't do that, we found out they will blow open. It'll actually blow them open, the CO2. Well, these are advertised that you can roast, grind, and package in the cup right away, which I do all the time. I actually use these at home for my coffee during the week. And these, I just grabbed these out of the refrigerator. These are ones that I made, and I wanted to do a test because if you were to package these the old way, it would blow them open, but these don't. And they say that it lets the CO2 out through the gum seal and it doesn't come back in. So today I decided to test that theory. And I decided that I would soak these in water. So I soaked these upside down in water for 4 hours to see if it would actually leak through the gum seal, to see if they truly were sealed. And so I don't know what's inside, but I'm going to cut it open right now. Bryce, you want to come up here? I'm just going to dump this stuff out. I'm going to do this without cutting myself. And we're going to see what's inside. See if any of the water leaked in there. And it did not. That cup is dry as a bone inside. Let's try the other two I have here. Yep, that one's dry as a bone as well. Try the third one. Yeah, that coffee's dry as a bone. I guess what they advertise is actually true. And I was kind of wondering about that because you could not do that with another cup. You package it, right after roasting. Another marketing opportunity because coffee is about marketing, so you can market these as roasted and packaged right away. And we got enough coffee there to make another pot of coffee, Bryce. So anyway, I just want to do that quick update for you. We still use this machine. You can find these weigh and fill machines on Amazon. They used to be $150. We bought this one, I think, Bryce, about a year ago, and it was $150 including shipping. Now I see them up to $400. Once in a while you see them for about $250. But if you want to add K-Cups to your business model, these make a really good option because they come in sleeves stacked up. And Carrie and I working together, using this little machine, she was filling them and I was closing them. We can do 15 a minute. So for a small roaster who wants to offer K-Cups, but you don't want to invest thousands of dollars into the packaging machine, this would be a better option. In fact, our video guy, Dave Marlin at Blue Marlin Coffee, he bought the 6-tray semi-automatic machine that has the heat seal in it. And he said, had he known about these, he would have used these and not bought that machine, which I think now is about $5,000. So you could actually get into K-Cups fairly quickly doing this. So I guess what these guys advertise is actually true. Their gum seal does go one way and work. And so I would not be afraid to use those in your business. If you have any questions about these, or you want links where to buy the cups or the equipment, just shoot us an email. We'll send you some direct links to some that are actually live, active, ready to buy on the web. Thank you.